Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sammy Clark and I'm an illustrator, and I'm really excited today because this is my first video in partnership with someone else, and that someone else is Ecoenclose. You guys hear me talk about them a lot on my channel. I use their products for packing my products. So I use their packaging supplies, and they're just wonderful, great customer service, and most importantly, they work really hard to provide entrepreneurs like myself with packaging solutions that are as eco-friendly as possible. So I'm really excited today to share with you my process for making my wrapping paper this year. So this year in my shop, I am offering 100% recycled wrapping paper, and to make that happen, I am using Ecoenclose's number 40 pound recycled craft paper. Now it comes on a big roll, but I'm cutting it down to smaller sizes and printing on it. But I have a few different methods that you can use at home if you want to make your own wrapping paper for the holidays, or if you want to sell your own wrapping paper like me. So I thought it would be really fun for people even that don't have businesses to buy a roll of this wrapping paper, or this paper that they have, and every season or every time there's a holiday, birthday, you and your kids can go pick out fun stamps. You can make your own stamps and stamp on it, or you can also run it through your printer by cutting it into smaller sheets. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a few different methods you can use to use the Ecoenclose craft paper to make 100% recycled and recyclable wrapping paper. A lot of wrapping paper is not recyclable, and at least in America, we throw away an insane amount of wrapping paper every season. So that was why this was such an important project to me. So I'm really excited to share it with you guys. Here is the first process. Let me show you making my own stamp, and then I'll show you how to make the wrapping paper yourself. Okay, so I have my stamp, I have my ink, it's printmaking ink, it's water-based, and then I have my brayer, just a fancy name for a roller for printmaking, and you can really do this on any kind of material, like, you know, glass or ceramic, but I'm going to use this and then just wash it out when I'm done. A little actually goes a long way. Okay, so now we have it all inked up, and I'm going to press it down, just lightly drop it. You don't want to move it after you've put it on here. And you can just press all around the different areas of your stamp to make sure that everything is getting imprinted onto the paper. And here's my moment of truth. Let's peel it up. There we go. That looks pretty fun. Okay, so I'm going to ink it up again. Awesome, this is looking really good. So this one had a little bit more ink on it, which I think is maybe better. So I'm just going to repeat this process all the way up. So the other option for stamping is using a traditional ink pad. Really easy, not quite as many options when it comes to colors, but it does create a slightly different effect. So I'm going to show you guys that now. This also is great for if you have a store-bought stamp because it works better with this type of ink pad than if you were to use the printmaking ink. And ideally, your ink pad would be the same size as your stamp. In this case, it is not. Alrighty, I'm just going to try it right up here to show you guys. Same thing, you're just going to want to kind of like press on all the different parts of your stamp and make sure that it's getting evenly pressed down. And if you have one that has like wood, it's even easier. There we go, that looks really good. So I do think on this paper that that traditional ink pads work the best, but if you're looking to get some kind of really unusual color, obviously this is just white, but you can mix your own printmaking inks. This turned out awesome though, so I'm going to continue with this for a little bit and show you guys how that looks. So the third way that you can make your own wrapping paper using this recycled Ecoenclose craft paper is by printing a design on it that you've made. This is a method I decided to do for my shop, and it works really well because I have a wide format printer, and then I'm doing sheets that are 13 inches by 24 inches long. You won't get as large of pieces, but it does allow you to do something in full color, and I think it's turned out really well. So this is my Baking Bunnies design, and I'm so happy with it. My customers have been purchasing it in my shop already. It's quite the hit. I'm also really excited to be able to print new designs I come up with. Here's a few others that I've made for this winter collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go check out Ecoenclose and yeah, check out their paper. Also, please give me a like and subscribe for more if you enjoyed this. The wrapping paper is also available in my shop, which is the link below. So thank you guys so much. Have a great day. And if you do make your own wrapping paper, I'd love if you'd send me your photos on Instagram or whatever. I'd love to see how you guys get creative with this project. Have a great day.